Everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Looking at my C-72 that I picked up. This we looked at, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it took me that long to get all the stuff together for the muffler. It had came in with the stack muffler on it, but since this is a 1981 model, this actual complete shelled muffler is what's appropriate for it. It's even got the heat shield behind it to try and prevent, allow the cool air that the flywheel's pushing to circulate through the fins and not have the muffler radiating backwards. So, got the bar on it. I don't think that was on there in the last video. As I recall, this is a 20. I thought it was a 28, but looking at that, it doesn't look quite right. It's a shame when you can't remember what the heck you've done. So we'll just try the trusty tape measure. Yeah, that's a 24. And by the time you count for the bucking spike, probably closer to 23. But anyway, put a test run of this thing at the end of this video, and then this saw will appear again at the 2019 Spring Raising Health and Neighbors Get Together with TJ. I can't wait. So let's listen to this thing run for a second.